Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Virat.
Which class are you studying, Virat?
Third and
Pre-nursery.
peanut study.
What is your school name? What is your school name? National
Natal School.
National Pride School.
Natal School.
Shall we start? Which is our country?
Indila.
Which is our state?
Kannakata.
National animal?
Tiger.
National bird?
Peacock.
National flower?
Notat.
National fruit?
Mango.
National tree?
Balanci.
National game?
Aki.
National song?
Vande Mataram.
National anthem?
Jaramana.
Jana Gana Mana.
Jaramana.
What is the shape of samosa?
Telangal.
Brain of computer?
Tipilu.
Monitor looks like?
TV.
Which is the fastest running animal?
Taita.
Which is the fastest running animal?
Cheetah.
Which animal has longest neck?
Giraffe.
King of jungle?
Melon.
King of fruits?
Mango.
King of flowers?
Notat.
King of flowers.
Road.
National river?
Mandarivan.
Which animal has black and white stripes on its body?
Zebra.
Which bird dances in the rain? Which bird dances in the rain?
Peacock.
Which bird that does not sleep at night?
Owl.
Baby of pig is called?
Piglet.
Baby of hen is called?
Tin.
Which flower faces towards the sun? Which flower faces towards the sun?
Temperate.
India capital?
New Delhi.
Karnataka capital?
Bengaluru.
Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Name the colors of national flag.
Akota Tetra.
Name the colors of national flag. Saffron.
Tetra. Eight. Gin.
What is there in the middle of national flag?
Akota Tetra.
When do we celebrate Independence Day?
Akatitin.
Favorite food for Lord Krishna?
Mutton.
Who teaches in the school?
Teacher.
Assam capital?
Diput.
Maharashtra capital?
Mumbai.
Cow gives us?
Milk.
Hen gives us?
Yen.
Sheep gives us?
Wool.
Goa capital?
Panadi.
Bihar capital?
Ta.
Patna.
Patna.
Who are the parents of Lord Ganesha?
Modaka.
Who are the parents of Lord Ganesha? Shiva.
Shiva. Parvati.
Favorite food for Lord Ganesha?
Modaka.
Harvest festival of Kerala?
Onal.
Which animal has hump on its back?
Zebra.
Which animal has hump on its back?
Camel.
Gujarat capital?
Lip.
Gujarat capital.
Adanavati.
Gandhinagar.
Gandhinagar.
Himachal Pradesh capital? Himachal Pradesh capital?
Noodle.
Shimla.
Shimla.
Biggest state?
Nagata.
Biggest bird? Biggest bird?
Data.
Biggest bird? Ostrich.
Arpit.
Rajasthan capital?
Mumbai.
Rajasthan capital.
Jaipur.
Andhra Pradesh capital?
Adanavati.
Birds lives in?
Net.
Monkey lives on?
Sea.
Fish lives in?
Den.
Fish lives in?
Den.
Fish lives in?
Table.
Water.
Water.
Lion lives in?
Den.
Horse lives in?
Table.
What is the color of parrot?
Deepavali.
What is the color of parrot? Green color.
Green color.
Who wrote Janagana Mana?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Smallest bird?
Amimble.
Festival of lights?
Deepavali.
Who wrote Ramayana?
Valmiki.
Iron Man of India?
Chhatrapati.
Sardar
Vallabhbhai.
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Vallabhbhai.
Longest continent?
Asia.
Indian currency,
Stupid.
Peru currency,
Pen.
Dubai currency,
Dollar.
Dubai currency. Dirham,
Dirham.
American currency.
Dollar.
Very good, Virat. Thank you.
Thank you.